Varun, I'm going to ask you a question, and then I'll tell our audience and all our friends here from media why I ask you. Is your brother a Hitler?
Is he a Hitler?
Huh.
No, no, not at all. He just is a Hitler when he's making a film.
Acha.
After that, he's
So he
totally
is a
fine.
Hitler as a director.
No, I think it's making a film is the toughest job. I truly believe that cinema is a director's medium, and he had a lot on his plate, and I think 2454 gave him all the support. Like they said, we shot in 26 locations, which is a lot.
That's
So
where
हम
I'm
लोग-
coming at. 26
Exactly.
locations, 38 days.
In 38 days, 26 locations. तो कोना कोना चप्पा चप्पा हम लोग ने छान कर शूटिंग की है अबू धाबी में. So it doesn't. I don't think anyone else would have explored Abu Dhabi in the way Rohit did. And Abu Dhabi, I mean, Abu Dhabi is a character in Dishum. It's not just a place. It's actually a character in the film. Besides me, John, and Jackie, it plays a very important part. We had a great time over there. The ministry was outstanding. 2454, the type of support they gave us on everything, whether it was the action or any type of scenes we were doing. It was amazing.
People were
The
so
people, yeah.
We had one of like the best welcomes. Or that-
For me, the helicopter sequence which we pulled off in Dishum, I don't think so. That's very difficult to do in any city because you have to shut down a lot of things. So the type of support we got to do that with two men just hanging off a helicopter, having a car passing, I mean, it can it's a nightmare. But they got us the permissions to do that, and
Yeah,
we're very,
in
very
fact-
grateful. Definitely in Abu Dhabi, people watch a lot of films, even locals over there watch. Because I myself went and saw Neerja and Airlift over there while I was there. And the cinema halls were packed, so they really love Bollywood films over there.
Varun,
in Abu
I met
Dhabi.
a gentleman from there, Mubarak, this evening, who's watched every film from Kabhi Kabhi to, just name it, सारी फिल्में उन्होंने देख ली हैं. उनको हिंदी ज़्यादा समझ आती है, Arabic शायद कम.
थैंक यू सर, प्लीज देखते रहो. मेरे भी पिक्चरें देख लो. अभी आएगी नेक्स्ट मार्च में. दिलवाले तो देखा है. अभी नेक्स्ट मार्च में बद्रीनाथ आएगी, फिर जुड़वा 2 आएगी. देख लो, आप किधर भी हो.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
ये क्योंकि हम लोग ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग फिल्म प्रमोट करने के लिए नहीं कर रहे. फिल्म तो ऑलरेडी प्रमोट हो गई, रिलीज हो गई, अच्छा किया, टीवी पे आया, हाईएस्ट टीआरपी आ गई. ये होता है प्रमोशन. ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं हम लोग क्योंकि वी जस्ट वांट टू टेल पीपल दैट वी हैड एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग इन अबू धाबी with 2454 with the Ministry of Abu Dhabi, and we want to tell more people in our industry that आपको जाके वहाँ पे शूटिंग करना चाहिए because बहुत easily shooting होती है वहाँ पे, और logistically, economically it's been very fruitful for the director and producer.
We've circulated this among our producers also. So this is the reason after 3 months.
कोई यादगार मोमेंट अगर सब लोग शेयर कर पाएं एक एक सबसे यादगार मोमेंट.
एक बहुत यादगार मोमेंट था जब साजिद सर अबू धाबी आए थे एंड एक हेलीकॉप्टर राइड के लिए हम लोग गए थे. It's supposed to be a secret, and we saw a beautiful ceremony also over there, which
We danced in a wedding
We
also.
danced in a wedding over
Local
there. and
wedding.
This is a true.
Over the camel farms also.
We flew over the camel farms. We danced in a wedding over there. उधर किधर एक गांव में wedding हो रही थी, and genuinely ऐसे photos भी बाहर आए, videos भी है, जहाँ जॉन, मैं, जैकलीन, साजिद सर, and even रोहित कितना नाचा हो शादी में.
And that too was on our first day. That was us landing into Abu Dhabi. So you can imagine what that welcome felt like. It was amazing.
When you say that Abu Dhabi is the character itself in your movie, so it means quite how enchanted are you with the Abu Dhabi. So what are the few things you can just count up for Abu Dhabi that one needs to go over there?
There are a lot of things that we shot at Marina Bay, whether it's Ferrari World, whether so many locations that were so beautiful. In fact, I have a very early memory about Abu Dhabi when my father actually shot over there for Do Not Disturb in the Palace Hotel. And I was there as a kid during that time, and I was totally amazed by that hotel and how beautiful it is. And at that time, I was told that when the Prime Minister of India visits the country, his room is here. Someone had taken me up and had seen the room from outside, that हमारे प्रधानमंत्री वहाँ रहते जब भी यात्रा के लिए आते. So a lot of memories, and then when I came back to the country after so many years, there's so much infrastructure that has grown. It's so hospitable, especially for, and there's so many tourists over there. It's a tourist hotspot now, Abu Dhabi. So not only for shooting, but I think if families want to go there for a holiday, they have a water world over there as well. There's so many things for children to do. And I think definitely one thing what they've done by opening up their city for us to go and shoot over there, the Middle East, what they've done is it's a great thing to have between the two nations, you know, for the friendship of the nation as well. So it's something which will help that as well, I feel.
All right.
वरुण
हाँ जी सर,
आपने बताया
क्या
कि
बात है.
आपने बताया कि जुड़वा 2 भी आपकी फिल्म आ रही है, जुड़वा 2 भी आपकी फिल्म आ रही है, तो क्या अबू धाबी में भी
अभी
हमें-
आई नहीं, आएगी भाई.
आने वाली है?
हाँ.
तो अबू धाबी में भी हमें इसके कुछ शूट देखने को मिलेंगे हमें?
अभी स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं आई.
अभी स्क्रिप्ट आएंगे, डायलॉग आएंगे, हीरोइन आएंगे. आई थिंक अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. हम लोग फिल्म अगले साल शुरू करने वाले हैं. एंड लाइक साजिद सर सेड, इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द फिल्म. जहाँ फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट ले जाते हैं हम लोग वहाँ जाते हैं. सो इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. एंड बस वैसे ही बनने वाली है. पहले तो अब्बू और दाबी एक ही है, अबू धाबी. जो ब्रेक की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मतलब मैंने अबू धाबी में शूटिंग की है, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं तेरा हीरो के लिए बैंकॉक में शूटिंग किया था एंड आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. बट स्टूडेंट के लिए भी बैंकॉक में शूटिंग किया था. बट फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव शॉट इन अबू धाबी. आई स्पेंड नियरली 38 to 40 days ओवर देयर. तो बहुत, और मेरा जो कैरेक्टर था वो वही का था. जुनैद अंसारी जो है वो वही का रहने वाला है. तो एक मतलब मेरे लिए वो एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो गया था. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एंजॉयड अ लॉट वर्किंग ओवर देयर.
वरुण आपके सामने
हाँ जी सर.
आपके पिताजी डायरेक्शन कर रहे हैं जुड़वा 2 को, तो कितना इमोशनल मोमेंट है और कितना मतलब प्राउड का मोमेंट है कि एक फादर अपने बेटे को डायरेक्ट करने जा रहा है?
सर वो जब फिल्म हिट होगा तब पता चलेगा
प्रेशर
कितना प्राउड होगे वो.
प्रेशर है उस चीज़ को लेकर?
हाँ,
प्रेशर है उस चीज़ को लेकर?
जब आप लोग ये सवाल करते तब मुझे प्रेशर फील होता है. उसके बजाय मैं इतना सोच रहा नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक वी जस्ट गोना गो विद द फ्लो. एंड जुड़वा वाज मेड लाइक दैट. आई थिंक आई डोंट थिंक दैट साजिद सर डैड थॉट कि ये बहुत बड़ी हिट होगी या ये होगा. सो राइट नाउ आई डोंट थिंक एनी ऑफ अस आर thinking much. We are just going out there to make a film that will entertain people.
Last question this evening from a beautiful lady right next to me. Sajid sir.
जैकलीन आपसे सवाल है, किक 2 में आपका नाम है, हमने सुना है, क्या ऐसा सत्य है? मतलब सच्चाई है
ये
इसमें?
वाक्य जो है,
That is the
are you
last
part of
question.
Kick 2?
Thank you.
इस बात में सच्चाई है कि आप जुड़वा 2 में काम कर रही हैं?
अरे यार,
सॉरी,
एक-
किक 2 में काम.
So my question is to the entire cast and crew of everyone is not present here for Dishum team. There are 2 more movies being shot in Abu Dhabi. One is Baby, second is Bang Bang. But they are not here, and you all are promoting Abu Dhabi. What's a hidden agenda to that, or what is it?
Why we? Because we have a surprise for everyone also.
Because Abu Dhabi gave us more rebate. No, that's not the reason. I think Akshay sir and Ritik sir must be busy and caught up in
Akshay
some
sir
other
is
thing.
in Bangkok, I think so.
Akshay sir is in Malaysia. He's shooting. And
Sajid sir,
I think
I have
Ritik
a
sir is also
question.
shooting, so that's why they're busy.
Sajid sir, I have
Sir,
a question.
yeah, there's a question by
I'm
this
an
lovely,
ex-
beautiful lady.